Hello, welcome to Premier Van Sales. Got choice of two of these Citroen relays, long wheelbase, chiller fridge vans. Fitted with the Plavo Frigo fridge unit, all lined in the rear. There's a choice of two of these, both the same, but 2012s on 12 plates. Same again with this one. Electric windows, that's your fridge unit. 91,000 mile, the other one's done 93,000. It's got Bluetooth, 6-speed, it's got aircon, heated screen, 3-seater. Same with this one, electric windows, electric mirrors. That's your fridge unit. It's got the mode, it's got the sat navigation system. 6-speed, exactly the same vans. Lovely condition then, 2012 on a 12 plate. Okay, thank you.